On February 2, 1970, Major Gary Faust and 3 other pilots from the 71st Fighter Interceptor Squadron took off from Malmstrom Air Force Base in Montana. They were all flying F-106 Delta Darts. The plan was to go up as a 4-ship formation, but right after takeoff, one of the jets ran into a mechanical issue and had to turn back. That left just 3 of them to carry on with the training flight. According to Major Faust, the 3 jets climbed up to around 40,000 feet, practicing aerial combat maneuvers. At one point, he went head-to-head with another pilot from his squadron, and they got into what's called a vertical scissors maneuver. But during the fight, as he pushed the aircraft through a high-speed rudder roll, things went wrong. The jet suddenly started to shake violently, and before he knew it, it was stuck in an uncontrollable flat spin, rolling hard to the left. As the jet spun out of control and started dropping fast, Major Faust desperately worked through his emergency checklists, trying everything he could to regain control. Nothing seemed to work. Finally, after a call from his wingman urging him to eject, Faust pulled the handle and shot out of the aircraft at around 8,000 feet. The moment Major Faust ejected, something unbelievable happened. He watched as his F-106 suddenly pointed its nose down, came out of the spin, and just kept flying. The jet actually leveled out and went on for several miles before making a gentle belly landing in a snow-covered wheat field near a little town called Big Sandy, Montana. It slid a couple hundred yards across the snow and came to a stop, engine still running at idle, until it finally ran out of fuel. When the Delta Dart was recovered, crews were stunned to find it had only suffered minor damage. It was quickly sent to McClellan Air Force Base in California, repaired, and put back into service. Almost 10 years later, while stationed at Tyndall Air Force Base in Florida, Major Faust climbed into the cockpit of a familiar aircraft. To his surprise, it was the very same F-106 he had ejected from years earlier.